Love works when you and your partner put in the effort to do the work yourselves.
Love works when you really do love what you do.
Love works when you both put in all of your effort.
Love works when you love yourself first and there are no expectations.
Love works because you don't have to force it. When you try to force something, it's fake.
Love works when you know each other's quirks and you love them more for it.
Love works when time stops and nothing else in the world matters.
I love my work because I get to do my passion every day.
I love my work because we get to work with so many great businesses and help them grow.
I love work because of the people I get to work with.
I love what I do because I'm damn good at it.
I love my work because for a really long time, it's just been a passion, and I'm finally able to turn it into a trade.
I love my work because I'm encouraged to try new ideas, and if something doesn't work out, you dust it off and try again.
I love what I do and my work because I get to be creative and I get to help people bring their visions to life.